Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn SAP with Prashanth. So in this today's session, we will be creating a sales order without logging into SAP GUI or using Fiori. Do you think is it possible? Yes, you can. So in this video, I'll be demonstrating how to create a sales order in S4HANA using a Postman app and SAP API without logging into SAP or using Fiori apps or using VS01 transaction code. Okay, so in this demo, you will be learning why SAP APIs are used, how Postman app communicates with SAP, and how to fetch CSRF tokens. Like CSRF token is required whenever you send a HTTP method as a post, and how to authenticate with SAP, like all those other things. So just directly we'll go to the process. So here on the Postman app, we will create a new HTTP request, select it as a post, and here you need to give the URL which contains the system name and then the SAP API. Okay. Once after entering this here, now go to authorization, select the basic auth and enter your SAP user ID and password. Next, go to headers. So make sure whenever you are sending a post request, you need to add XCRF token as a fetch here and accept key and value as application/JSON. I'll be explaining in my next video how to fetch CRF token manually. Like here, I am using this CRF token as a value because I am using an script, JavaScript, where automatically the system gets the CSRF token by sending a GET request. Like here, you can see before request, this is the JavaScript which runs before this post method, runs a get method and gets the CSRF token and applies this token to our post method. So this is in the scripts. So once we have done with our headers, next go to the body. So in the body, we need to enter the JSON payload, like the mandatory fields which are required to create a sales order minimum. So like a sales order type is mandatory, sales area is compulsory, a sold to party, and then we need to expand it to item. Then we need to enter the item number 10, then the material and the quantity. So for our sales order create post method, we are using two line items which will be created, one line item with 150 quantity and the second one with 120. So as I explained, scripts. So in the body, you need to select the as raw and then JSON. Now get ready for the magic. We are not at all logging into SAP or using any Fiori app. Click on send. So the Postman is communicating with the SAP and SAP responses back in a JSON file or XML file. So this is how the sales order can be created using the Postman app and using the HTTP method. See here, the sales order has been created, which starts with the DE. Let's copy and verify whether the sales order is created or not in SAP. So go to SAP GUI, go to VA03, enter your sales order number, which has been just created by a Postman app. Press enter. See, sales order from Postman is the customer reference and two line items, one with 150 and 120. Okay, this is how you can create sales orders from using the Postman app. And see here, this is the status code, which means 201 created. So document has been successfully created. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Learn SAP with Prashanth, so that I can create much more valuable videos. So I'll try to create a video where you will be learning how to fetch the CSRF tokens either manually or using a JavaScript. Thank you once again. Bye bye.